Mutalala wa kumung'uthula kuma utongoini munini wa President Rigathi Gachagua ulakwiyo Mbunge nene ikunie kula cia kumuvetanga kuma uvisini ukethukiiw'a ukethukiiw'a kwi Senate Wakatatu na Wakana kyumwa kyukite vala munini wa President Rigathi Gachagua ukavika mweene kwitetea mithenya yonthe ili ya kwithukiiw'a Senate Mutalala wa Kumwinukya Gachagua wi Makoani ma Maseneta itina wa yumbe manele na miongo 8 ilikwiyo kukuna kula ya ukwata mbau muungamo ulayu amwe mayumbe ma ukamba alama leanile naw'o meweta otiye mbanga nene kwa ayumbe aingi alama tena mwana ungi ona vanini kusioka Mbunge kwisila nzia ya kunyuvwa itina wa kuvuthisya wasya wa mweene nthi ula wa manyuvie Benjamin Mwaka na mauvo.
Honorable Speaker, thank you for this.
Muthenya umwe itina wa ayumbe kumung'uthula kuma uvisini munini wa President Rigathi Gachagua maneli na miongo na ili maikuna kula ya kumwinukya miongo 44 ya kuliana na Mutalala na umwe ale ya kutangasa mongamo yusili wa Mutalala welekile Senate kikalo kila kikethukiiw'a ni Maseneta yonthe itina wa ukulyo wanza maimwana ya memba ya 11 liungamie Mutalala kuvina nguta.
That's the proposal that should we, and I want to urge members to agree with me, that we elect 11 of our wisest. I want to invite the Senator for Nairobi, Senator Edwin Watenya Sifuna, to second this motion.
Given the mood of the House and especially on the minority side, I respectfully decline to second that motion.
The Senate will therefore proceed with the investigation of the proposed removal from office by impeachment of His Excellency Rigathi Gachagua, EGH, the Deputy President of the Republic of Kenya, in plenary. I hereby give the following direction, and the Senate shall then investigate the matter in plenary on Wednesday the 16th and Thursday the 17th of October 2024.
Amwema maseneta meenda Senate yethukiisya Mutalala kwa ilungia mithenya 3 maiweta mvena wito munene ulwa Mutalala.
Considering this a matter of national interest, and it will involve a lot of process, evidence producing, and many other procedures. So, Speaker, considering the immense, would it be in order to request that, as per your direction, you increase even an extra day?
Mr. Speaker, let that assurance also go out that the judges sitting on this matter will also have sufficient time to reason, to caucus.
Let us go by the 2 days that I've communicated. One thing that the Senate will do, it is going to give adequate time to both parties. That's the much we are going to do as a Senate. No party will leave the Senate complaining about inadequacy of time to plead their case.
Kwiyo aingi mayumbe ma chama chawe ipani malumile ili muungamo wa chama ki wa kuliana Mutalala valakwana na muyumba mwingia katika Gideon Mulungi ukuweta chama chawe ipa nikiukoma na umetuki kusuani enzela kikosa kukonya memba mo amwe alama na kuniye kula ya kwitikila kumwinukya Gachagua
na endeve ya maitu mana tusalitie na takiama pe Mutalala ile wakatika kiama waleana na musimamo wa kiama no kikose atua wa kukwikia kisimbani wetete uneki na kiama no kiulungi kiamani ko disi kiama kiosa musimamo weku andu ala manaleanie na musimamo wa kiama matethesya Ruto kauwake na Gachagua kuune tutonya kukoma na mituki kiama kia Wiper ni kenda tuswane twithukiisya atumia undu kitumikila mana leania na musimamo wa kiama na mathosya mbai Mbunge undu ikatile ambunge aingi mekwithukiisya enenzi na nona twendete 2027 ambunge aingi ala meba makenukwa ni enenzi ko ningukulia andu ma Kenya monthe vala mai masisi uthukumi wa aheshimiwa undu mothukuma ala makuthukuma na NNZ na ala mothukuma na mavumo nikenda 2027 ala makuite mavuba mbunge menuke na mavumo makasieye na kunza
vilengo wa mauvo kumavamia Makoani ya mbunge Namo Ilovi nye nito Benjamin Mwaka.